Good morning, girls. Let us start our bridge course of English subject. Welcome you all once again to start our activity number 3. Activity number 3, learning outcome or competency statements. Summarize a story, conversation, play, informative speech or debate. Here are few instructions for you. Instructions for students: form groups, form learners club, use phrases and chunking words while conversing, enrich vocabulary, read and understand the conversation, guess the missing dialogues, words or phrases in the dialogue writing. Prepare on the given topic of debates. Use dictionaries for certain words for meaning and pronunciation. Take active participation in role playing. Develop the conversation by using your imagination. Let's see how to write a summary. Preparing to write. To write a good summary, it is important to thoroughly understand the material you are working with. Here are some preliminary steps in writing a summary. First, skim the text, noting in your mind the subheadings. If there are no subheadings, try to divide the text into sections. Consider why you have been assigned the text. Try to determine what type of text you are dealing with. This can help you identify important information. Read the text, highlighting important information and taking notes. In your own words, write down the main points of each section. Let's read today's question of summary writing. Read the conversation and write summary on it. Give a suitable title to it. Mike, good morning. John, I am Mike. John, good morning. Mike, how are you doing? John, I am doing fine. Thank you. Mike, how was the traffic coming over here? John, I'm so glad that the traffic was light this morning. No traffic jam and no accidents. Mike, this is good. John, let's start the interview. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Mike, first of all, let me properly introduce myself. I am the finance department manager. As you know, there is an open position in my department and I need to fill this position as soon as possible. John, please tell me a little bit about the position. Mike, it is an entry level position. The new employee will have to work closely with the accounting department. He will also have to deal with the bank on a daily basis. John, what type of qualification do you require? Mike, I require a 4-year college degree in finance. Some working experience would be helpful. John, what kind of experience are you looking for? Mike, doing office work is good. However, since this is an entry level position, I do not require a lot of experience. I am willing to train the new person. John, that is great. As we have solved many questions on summary writing, today even I am providing you one of examples of summary writing. Let's see another example of summary writing. Let us start one solved activity. Laurie, so what are your plans for this weekend? Christy, I don't know. Do you want to get together or something? Sarah, how about going to see a movie? Laurie, that sounds like a good idea. Maybe we should go out to eat. Sarah, it is fine with me. Where do you want to meet? Christy, let's meet at Summer Pizza House. I have not gone there for a long time. Laurie, good idea again. I heard they just came up with a new pizza. It should be good because Summer Pizza House always has the best pizza in town. Sarah, when should we meet? Christy, well, the movie is shown at 2 p.m., 4 p.m., 6 p.m., and 8 p.m. Laurie, why don't we go to the 2 p.m. show? We can meet at Summer Pizza House at noon. That will give us plenty of time to enjoy our pizza. Sarah, my cousin Karen is in town. Can I bring her along? I had to leave her home alone. Christy, Karen is in town? Yes, bring her along. Sarah, she will be happy to meet both of you again. Okay, bye. See you all. We are going to discuss important points of this text. See, there are three friends named Christy, Laurie, and Sarah. They are discussing about how to enjoy weekend. Sarah suggests to enjoy movie and pizza. They all decide to meet at Pizza House. Now let us write it in our own words. First of all, we have to decide its title. It could be Weekend Plans or any other. But we have decided Weekend Plans. Here, three friends, Laurie, Christy, and Sarah, are making plans for the coming weekend. Laurie is asking about what to do in the weekend. Sarah is suggesting watching and enjoying a movie. All three friends agree with her and decided to watch a movie. They decided to meet at Summer Pizza House and also enjoy delicious pizza too. Thus, three friends planned their weekend. We have another practice for your summary writing. Let us see and read. First, complete the dialogues by using phrases or dialogues given in the bracket and write summary on it. In bracket, how are you? What about you? Through online studies going on. Neenu, hello Neelu, dash, Neelu, I am fine dear, dash, Meenu, me too, fine. How are you? Blank space. Neelu, my studies are going well. Due to pandemic, classes are being conducted online. Meenu, yes Neelu, I am also studying. Blank space. Neelu, we are facing the same situation. Extension activity or parallel activity or reinforcement. Find more dialogues on internet and summarize it. Give it suitable to it. Do you understand how to write a summary? Select any text or any lesson from your textbook and summarize it. Here, some Diksha app links are given to understand it. My takeaway. Today I learned Student learn to summarize the conversation. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Subscribe it to get notification of new videos.